We have more breaking news coming in. Opposition leaders, meanwhile, have spoken on the issues they are looking to raise at the all-party meeting. The Congress party has stated that they will be raising the issues of Operation Sindoor and US President Donald Trump's repeated claims regarding that India-Pakistan conflict, as well as the Bihar SIR. And Kerala Congress MP K. Francis George stated that they will also raise the issue of Nimisha Priya during the meeting. So many several issues that are likely to be raised by the opposition. Obviously, we have seen Congress has been talking about Trump's repeated claims regarding the ceasefire and also taking credit for that. And there are other issues that opposition is saying that they will be raising. What details that are coming in?
Well, indeed, Ria, there is a lot on the list of opposition to raise the issues in the upcoming monsoon session. And today, the all-party meeting is happening. And in that, Kerala Congress MP K. Francis have also mentioned that how, the Congress party and the opposition is planning to raise several issues, whether it's the farmers' issues, the trade talks, and also the Bihar SIR voters list issue. And apart from that, it is very evident, and it has been made clear from the Congress party as well that they the issue of Operation Sindoor and more specifically Donald Trump's claims regarding the India-Pakistan ceasefire as well. So several leaders are making their statements, official statements rather as well, that these will be the key focus areas that they will take up in the parliament session. And also, K. Francis mentioned that they will also take up the Nimisha Priya case because they are trying that, Nimisha Priya should be saved. So this is one of the major issues which started in Kerala but has become a national issue right now. So Congress leader K. Francis have specifically mentioned that Nimisha Priya's case will also be taken up by the Congress party in the monsoon session. So indeed, there will be a face-off between opposition and the government in the monsoon parliament session, Ria, because, opposition is taking out pointers and majorly 8 to 9 key issues have been pointed out, which includes Operation Sindoor, Donald Trump's claims, Bihar SIR voters issues, the local issues of people, security and safety concerns. So indeed, there is a lot on the list right now. Yes, Ria.
Mendi, stay on with us. We have more updates coming in. AAP MP Sanjay Singh